Hey guys, what's up? This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with another video about a MATIC printer just like MATIC Staker, which has been doing really good. MATIC FOMO, they have a NFT airdrop. We have a higher percentage now. I've been looking at it for some time and I think it's still good time to go for me to profit. So I'm doing this. Let's start. Alright guys, so we are back. So this one, let's take a look. Let's connect maybe first. Oh, maybe I need to switch to MATIC. Yeah. Alright, let's connect now. So you need to add MATIC network to your MetaMask. Alright, MATIC has been doing really good. 1.63. I had some MATIC. I'm sending it now as well. They have 6,000, over 6,000 users, and they are growing, still growing, guys. Let's take a look at the contract. So 4 million on balance, okay, 2.48 million MATIC on the balance, and the total invested amount is 3.42 million. So that's a lot. As for the referral rewards is 339,000 MATIC. The first plan they have is for 14 days, very similar to MATIC Staker, I guess. Right now it's 11.2%, but if you go here, you'll see that it's going up 0.5% every 24 hours. So the basic interest rate, but this is only for new deposits. So if I am to go right now, I will get it, but that's fair for the new people. That's why MATIC Staker has been and this one they've been doing really good. Okay, so they have a referral program as well. So 3 levels, 532, pretty nice, I guess. They have these available NFT boxes. You can claim it. Let's read more about it. So they will conduct an airdrop of NFT mystery box X MATIC FOMO series. There are rules to it. So the total number of NFT mystery boxes will be 10,000. This will include 5,000 boxes reserved for community airdrops. They are doing daily airdrops on their Telegram, so you can check that out as well. We're gonna visit the Telegram. 5,000 boxes will be airdropped to users who have staked in the locked plans. So they took this great idea actually from MATIC Staker and similar systems to include some kind of benefits for the people who will go into locked plans, which are paying a lot because they are like auto compounding in the background, but you can only claim the whole amount after like 14 days or more, depending on the plan of your choosing. So the snapshot of addresses will be taken before the 15th of April. So that's in 1 month, 1.5 months, guys. So if people are going in, I'm pretty sure they are, into the locked plans, the balance is stable and, well, we can take a daily profit from it, not worrying about if the balance is still good. So that's pretty good. After opening the mystery box, you'll randomly get NFTs of different editions. Plan 4 addresses staked on these plans will receive NFT mystery boxes in a ratio 1000 to 1 to total amount staked. If the address total stake in the plan 4 is 1000 MATIC before the snapshot, that address will receive one NFT box. So these NFTs will be quite valuable if they are given to people who will deposit at least 1000 MATIC. That's a lot, guys. So one address max airdrop 10 NFT boxes. So that's also a rule. Plan 5 addresses staked on these plans will receive NFT mystery box in ratio 1000 to total amount staked. So if the address total staked in the plan 5 is 1000 MATIC before the snapshot, that address will receive 2 NFT boxes. And this is max airdrop 50, one address max airdrop 50 NFTs. Okay, and plan 6 for the plan 6, for the longest one, it will be a ratio of 1000 to 3. So if you go with 1000 MATIC, you will get 3 NFT boxes. Okay, So yeah, I think that's a good addition. I like when projects like this ROI platforms have tokens. Here we have NFTs, so there might be a lot of people who will be interested in that. So that's something that I will take into consideration here. The plan for is paying 16.9% daily, but you can only withdraw at the end. So the total return here is 236%. So the clear profit is 136%, while here is 56%. So it will get, let's read more about it. So minimum deposit here is 5 MATIC, but there is no max. Investors can withdraw the profit without any fee. So there is, I guess, in MATIC Staker we had a 10% fee. So people might like that. I can see from the results that they like that. And if users will not make a withdrawal, they will get extra hold bonus, another unique feature here. So it will increase by 0.1% per day. Max is 1.5. If users withdraw, hold bonus will reset to 0. So many people will be holding. So that's another thing that will keep the balance steady and stable. Investors can close deposits early if the plan has not expired. Wow, but there is a 20% penalty in the contract to sustain it. Function will be available within 10 days. A lot of changes they did, and well, I really like it. You can withdraw your principal. I mean, there is a fee, of course, but still very nice. Let's look at the documentation. Okay, so it's a hybrid ROI Dapp on the Polygon network, of course. The contract started on the 22nd of February, so like not a week ago. Still pretty early, looking at the similar ones that they can go for a long time. I mean, in in this space, considering the high percentage that they pay with the hold bonus, everything, that's something that, well, I really like. Okay. All right, guys. So you can go to the contract from here to see it's verified. Remember, it's like decentralized, so you can read the code here, check it for yourself. Always do your own research, guys. This is not a financial advice, okay? All right, let's do some magic. Let's see, I should have 200 MATIC here. Yeah, so I will go 100 in this one and 100 in this one, okay? Because this one is paying more. So this is like diversifying inside one dapp, okay? So in this one, I will get my principal in like 9 days. Here in like 11 days. Okay, let's wait for the transactions to get through to be confirmed. I'm not sure if it went through. We'll try one more time maybe. I'm connected. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, now it's pending. We'll prepare here. So from 100 MATIC, I will get 56 MATIC, of course, if this thing is still there. I'm pretty sure it might be because, well, looking at the results and what they prepared for people to stay, to reinvest, okay, to be excited about the project. And here I will get 103 MATIC. Of course, my initial investment will be included in my dividends. So for the first couple of days, here for the 9 days and here for 11 days, I will be taking out my principal. Okay, that's how it works. And if I decide to go into the locked plan, I will wait for 14 days and I'll be able to take 136 MATIC additionally, and I will get everything back, also my principal. So yeah, the first investment got in. Is already making me some MATIC. Okay, I will have my whole bonus here. I can copy my referral link here, and let's do the second one now. Let's see if the transaction has been confirmed. Yeah, so I can do a second one right now. Sometimes you need to wait, but usually it's pretty fast. So I will have 200 MATIC here. That will give me a nice return daily. They have a YouTube contest, so there are a lot of videos. I've seen some on the YouTube, and also let's take a look at the audit by Haze Crypto. So the standard good company, that's something that I also like to see, because that gives me some kind of safe feeling that I can go into the contract and interact with it, even if the website is down and everything will be alright. I can take my investment slowly. I mean, this is paying really a lot. It's loading, guys. I don't have good internet in my new location. I will soon do videos with camera, so you'll see me and everything, but right now I'm still decorating here. Okay, so the dev fee here is 10%. These are the plans. The initial return for the first plan was only 112%. So yeah, now it's more attractive, I guess, and it will be increasing the force withdraw, but only for the locked plans. Okay, so I'll have to think about going in the locked plan, but so this is good that you can always take out your principal here. Really like that. Okay, guys, it looks good. So what do you think, guys? I think that it will give me good profit, but the choice is yours. Don't listen to anyone. Always do your own research, guys. And thank you for watching. See you soon on another video.